2012 NT? I have no idea. But what we're going to do is the Flawless Collegiate. I got 2 boxes of this good stuff. Yes, I know. So here we go. So we'll do both boxes in this round. We got 2017 Flawless Collegiate Football Box Break number 3. Yeah, 10 times bad beat. Yeah, why not? Yeah, there's another one up there. Tony, toot toot Tony. There's another one. All right, so Evan up top, you got Case-Beck Zoots, River City Chance, Demosity, D Theater, Go Blue. Got some of them boys coming up to the Taco Fiesta. If you guys don't know about the Taco Fiesta, you guys should know about it. And you guys should be, jump onto the ultimateboxbreaks.com and click on the UBB store in the top right. And you guys will see all those details for the Fiesta. Wow. 888888. Wow. That sounds weird out of the gate there. So, all right. AD's at the Glitter Club right now, but he will get the Collegiate teams listed up on the forum. And if you guys don't know how to get to the forum to see all those, all you gotta do is go to ultimateboxbreaks.com and click on forum. And then non-collegiate uniform hits. Oh boy. So the second one's already gone too. All right. Do I have to reach into my reserves tonight? Toot it and oh boy. Those Longhorns. Let's see if we can get something weird out of here, alright? Hey, but this is crazy cheap for Flawless Collegiate. Actually, half the price of what it was when it initially came out. So you think about that for a second. Damn good deal. No matter what. So I'll rent them off this the Longhorns case as well, since somebody will want that Longhorns case. All right. I did not look. I just wanted to. All right. Mike's looking for the little 2018 classes? Maybe I have it? I don't know. All right. So you got a Vince Young, 12 out of 25. See, Card Shark wants to get up on that business, huh? Then you got a my boy Ricky Williams. That is my dude. 6 out of 10. That's a little underdog Baltimore hit for Ricky Williams. Who's got Baltimore? Right guy. There you go, man. Don't even worry about that. So 6 out of 10, Ricky Williams. And we need to go ahead and, I believe, random off Major Applewhite. 15 out of 20. So 15 out of 20. Let's you know what? Let's just random off Major Applewhite. I know we have to random off Major Applewhite. All right. So Major is going to number 23, which is Charlie. All right, buddy. There you go. Hook 'em, Major Applewhite. Then you got a Mac Brown, 4 out of 25. Followed up by a Jordan Shipley, 8 out of 20. So Jordan Shipley, 8 out of 20. And a Earl the Pearl, 14 out of 20. So Earl Campbell, which I believe is over to New Orleans. Yeah, the Saints. So River City with a Earl the Pearl, 14 out of 20. Followed up by 15 out of 20, Deontay Foreman. And that'll be over to Houston. So Evan, there you go, buddy, with a Deontay Foreman. And I want to just double check. I believe it's over to this next one's gonna be over to the Skins. It is. So this is nice 15 out of 20, Colt McCoy. I'm sorry. 1 of 1, Colt McCoy. Hook 'em horns. Look at that. See? Card Shark needs all of them. So a 1 of 1 Colt McCoy going over to Washington. Wow. 8. Wow. So 1 of 1 Colt McCoy. Hook 'em horns. Got Card Shark down there looking for all them goods. See? Card Shark's ready, dude. Alright, well that was it. That was just in those cards in there. What we got there? We got a 15 out of 20, Deontay Foreman. Over to Houston, Evan. So 15 out of 20, Flawless Diamond. Going over to Evan, and... oh my goodness. 3 out of 20, Earl the Pearl. Them Saints. River City. With an Earl Campbell. 3 out of 20, that's your second. Earl the Pearl. And why not make it a baker's dozen of Earl Campbell's? 17 out of 25, Earl the Pearl with Ricky. And that's back over to New Orleans. I guess your options are limited with the with Texas, right? So Earl Campbell encapsulated 17 out of 25. Yeah, the Earl the Campbell there, the Deontay Foreman, the Colt McCoy. 101. A whole bunch of Texas stuff. And that's all she wrote in there. Let me go ahead and random this case off. Maybe Card Shark's going to snag it up. I have no idea. And number 24, K-State J. You got the briefcase, man. All right. That's the first. Man, we hit a Miami the other day. Now the Texans. Or now the Texas. All right, what else we got? We got right here. So right after this, guys, we have the Elites, which we're going to knock around. And then here's 2017 Flawless Collegiate Football Box Break number 4. This stuff is it's just stupid cheap. I know. All sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. So Spike Nuts up top. You got K-Spec. Clockwork DB, Big Net. Good to see Big Net back in there. Fanatical Sports. Holy smokes. See? Wait, Card Shark 101 went to UT on a football scholarship and partied too much. Lost scholarship and went to SWT. Card Shark wants them all. Hit Card Shark up. There we go. All right, so this is box number 4 of Flawless Collegiate. Maybe we'll get something weird out of here. I don't even know. Is it another themed case? Yes or no? No, it's not. All right, good luck. Right after this, we got the 2018 Elite 2 6-box half case breaks, and then we go over to National Treasures. Here, 2012 National Treasures of all things. Late night on a Saturday, and I love it. But for the price point where this Flawless is at, I really like it. A whole bunch. All right. So you got a Brett Hundley, 4 out of 5. Weird jockstrap of Brett Hundley. Ryga goes, Mariota for the win. All right. So, so Brett Hundley, 4 out of 5. Is Brett still on Green Bay? Where's he at? Yeah, he's still in Green Bay. Then you got a Joe Washington, 19 out of 20. Joe Washington. Which is going to the Falcons. So, Hot Atlanta with Joe Washington. S. Miller, 53321. Dude, this patch could be the coolest patch I think I've ever seen. Some LSU fan is going to be weirded out. Let me just double check. Schmuffalo, of all teams. Look at this patch. 4 out of 5, going over to Buffalo. Jamie R. So you got a Malaki Dupree. 4 out of 5, Emerald. Nasty old patch. And a Chad Kelly. 13 out of 15 over to Denver. And a Evan Ingram, 20 out of 25. And that'll be over to the Giants. Wow. 8. Willie G. What's up, man? Then Samaje P. Ryan, 9 out of 20 over to Washington. Spiked. 9 out of 20. And a Kirk Cousins, 7 out of 25. Minnesota. Minnetonka. My ball cards. There you go, buddy. With a Kirk Cousins, 7 out of 25. And a Gary Beeben, 14 out of 25. Gary Beeben. Which? Redskins. All Redskins all day long. Spiked. Not so good. 14 out of 25. Gary Beeben. And over to those Dolphins. You got 9 out of 10 Sapphire. So 9 out of 10 Kenyon Drake going over to Miami. If he's still in Miami. Lee Man. There you go, buddy. 9 out of 10 Kenyon Drake. And I'll take that one, dude. Why does that card look so slick? Over to Dallas, Emmitt Smith, 6 out of 15. Evan. He might be related to Willie Beeman. Willie Beeman. Yeah. 6 out of 15. Emmitt Smith, encapsulated. Little Ruby. And DB. Getting physical with that Lenny Fournette. 24 out of 25. Lenny Fournette encapsulated over to Jacksonville. Dude, why does the encapsulated stuff? I love it so much. It's weird. So Lenny Fournette over to Jacksonville. Ooh, I ain't mad about that. Hey, dude, this Emmitt Smith's actually kind of tight. So the Emmitt Smith out of 15, the Kenyon Drake out of 10. All right, flawless collegiate. For the price point, listen, not that bad. Just saying. All right, we're going to do Elite. Let me get Elite rocking and rolling here for us. And then we got the last two breaks, which will be the National Treasures 2012 of all things.